All right, the project at hand today is to re-weld the bed of the trailer to the frame of the trailer because it's separated right here and over there. I definitely didn't try to flip it with the Bobcat, but that's neither here nor there. And we're gonna fix it, so that's what we're gonna do today. If it wants to come out, I guess. There we go. And another thing I gotta do is I gotta bend all this stuff backwards a little bit because the last guy who had this trailer ran over a rock with the jack down, so it's all slanted forward a little bit. Could you guys not? You just stay here. That kind of works. There we go. All right. Straps around, we're going one at a time, just start cranking them. It is nice and tight. Okay. Nice and tight there. Next one. Both now. Couple more clicks here. See how it looks. Well, that's actually working. I am shocked. All right, here we go. Oh my God, I can't do any more. Okay, one more. Right side, done. Yeah, it definitely looks straighter. So there's nothing wrong with this tip. It's just that I accidentally put 0.35 wire in here, or 0.035 wire instead of 0.03 wire. So went ahead, bought this little contact tips for 0.035, and I'm hoping they're the same ones. This is a new wand, so let's see how it goes. Just need one idea. Back there. Does it fit? Oh, it does. Snug fit, but hey, that's all right. Cool. Look, it's very shiny now. Ta-da! New tip, or contact tip at least. Let's see if it will run. Oh, it does. Sweet. Got the right size. Let's get to welding. I just have these little pieces here, so I'm gonna stuff it, fill it up a little bit, do some re-welding there and here. So we're gonna do a Band-Aid fix on this and see how well that works. It's not really critical to do this, I feel like, but we'll do it anyways. Okay, let's get to it. And 3, 2, 1, go. Smash that guy right there. Tack him on, fill it in fill this in down here for it. Should be good to go. Woo, that's a fat weld. All right, I guess we'll fill in the bottom now. Okie dokie. Sir, there. That looks nasty. So this is the plan for this side. Gonna weld right there with it and right here connect them. Gonna put this small little brace like so, and boop, boop, and then fill that right there. And then I feel like this side should be done. It is very crude and ugly, but hey, it's a good weld. And then I just beat this with a hammer and bent it down more, so I have to do less filler. Make sure that here's not all messed up. Still fit right there. It's pretty good. I just got the bottom all welded on here for the little small brace. On nice and they're pretty big beads, but again I think it's because it's the .035 wire now, but I'm okay with that. Now we're gonna just hammer this down a little bit, actually, and just press that and we'll weld it. All right, so I'll press it, weld the top. Super safe. Let's go. All right, it's on. Cool. This is how I've been welding it. A second on top, 2 seconds on the wall. So a second on the brace, 2 seconds on the frame. They're not going anywhere, that's for sure though. All right, I'm gonna hammer this flat and then weld it. Be right back. All right, I just kind of welded this section right here. Fill that in a bit. It's super ugly, but it's whatever. But I'm gonna continue up here on this side. I might do this side, I'm not too sure. I don't really want to remove that, so I might just eyeball it as best I can. Maybe leave that alone. I don't know yet, but I definitely have to spray paint this afterwards, and then it's gonna look like it's normal because it's a work trailer. All right, so this is reinforced. It's pretty janky, but it's reinforced nonetheless. We have our brace bar right there. Behind it, we have a filler metal. It's all welded in. It's filled up with weld, obviously. We have a brace right there, welded up, welded right there as well, and we should be good to go, honestly. The other side's not as bad as this. I think the other side just needs a brace, and we should be good to go. So for this side, only this part of the tubing broke off right here. The welds here are still good. Underneath as well is good. But just gonna reinforce this, honestly, with like a little patch plate here and there. And that should be good to go. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I know what you guys are thinking. Why didn't I do this before I put that there? I didn't think of doing that. Weld it right there and then up top. Let me cut a little bit off here. Thank you. Oh, ha, there's paint there. I didn't grind that one all the way, I guess, but I did. Good enough angle here for me. So, it's on. Not bad. It could be way better, but it's not bad. Losing daylight, so I figured it was faster to weld off camera and then show you guys the results afterwards. I think this will hold up, honestly. But again, I'm not a welder, but I think this is good reinforcement. It's a nice bead, it's nice contact, it's not cracking anywhere. Got one small hole, but that's about it. But yeah, I think I've reattached the front frame to the front floor of the trailer. Cool. Got some black spray paint. What the hell is wrong with this thing? I've already shaken this up a bunch. Maybe it's bad spray paint. Oh, it's all gunked up. Yeah, look at that. It's all gunked up. That's fine. For what I need it for, this will work. Lovely. All right, cleaned it a bit. We'll try this side now. It still sucks. I'm getting new spray paint. We got some new paint straight out. Oh, this is way better. I don't care that it's all messy. It works. Perfect. Yeah, it's like, it's not an amateur hour over here, you know?
I wouldn't go that far.
No, you wouldn't say amateur hour? Or is that too much of a compliment to myself?
Looks very messy.
Looks very messy.
Looks like a toddler did it.
All right, so my quick fix on the trailer, I believe, is done. The welds with the bracing and whatnot. It should hold it together. Again, not too sure. I'm not a welder. I just do this as a hobby, but I laid it on pretty thick, so it should be good to go. And the bow at the front of the trailer is gone for the most part, like reduced it by 80%. I think all I have to do is grab the bottom of the jack with the bobcat and just yank it that way to get the rest of the bend, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching.